Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hanging with Rack, and it's your girl Rack, and I'm here to discuss my little Delaso. Well, it used to be my Delaso. My husband bought that for me many years ago before we got married, and now he's kind of taken it over. So he's got a new he repainted the hood, not the hood but the trunk, and repainted the trunk. Oh, it looks really nice too. And then he also got what you call Targa top handles, and that is, I don't know if you have a Delaso, and you know how the top comes off. It's that plastic mechanism that you pop to take the top off. Go ahead, take the top off, and then pop it in to put it back in. So my husband got a replacement Targa top handles from this company called SkylerLabs. In the description, I will have their website and more information about the machine Targa top handles. In the video, my husband also shows how easy it is to replace the plastic handles with the new machined handles. And one thing you will see is the replacement handles are stronger than the factory ones. Even though the factory ones have lasted for over 15 years, but hey, I digress. I will be describing what the steps are in installing the SkylerLabs Targa handles. It's so weird to say that 3 times. Targa handles. So if you guys just sit back and relax, and we're going to show some more of the, well, I guess you might call it our car now since he's taken over. And I will go through it and show you how easy it is to install those little Targa handles for your Delaso. First step, remove the plastic cover off of the old handle using a small screwdriver to pry it off. Once this is complete, you will need to remove the old handle, and to do this, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. This step should only take a few minutes to do. Then place the new handle on and make sure that you have it on correctly before tightening. The new handle comes with a hex bolt instead of a Phillips head. Once installed, tighten the hex bolt with a hex wrench and make sure you put it on tight. Once you finish tightening the hex bolt, make sure the handle is working properly. Next, push the lever next to the handle and then push down the target handle. I would do this a couple of times to make sure it's working correctly. Once this is complete, repeat all of the steps on the other side of the Targa top. Check out the new handles on my Delaso.